Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss what should be the study approach towards FM9 paper of ACCS skill level and what common mistakes students make while studying and while appearing for the paper. Guys, I'm CA Chetan Kansara. I'm a qualified chartered accountant having an experience of more than 25 years in the FM field, in the finance field, and I'm located in Mumbai, India. I teach FM9, that is paper 9, and AFM paper at professional level. Let us proceed. Now, what should be the approach towards studying this FM9 paper? Smart study approach. Number one, you should concentrate more on these topics: NPV and IRR, WACC, cost of capital concept, cost of capital calculation, CAPM calculation, that is capital asset pricing model, CAPM. This is also very important from exam perspective, and working capital management. These four topics you should do it absolutely thoroughly. Type C questions, section A, section B and section C. Section C is of 40 marks. 2 questions of 20 marks each. We have already discussed this in my earlier video. And section C, 40 marks questions mainly cover this. So this particular 4 topics are very important. Of course, other topics are equally important, but these are, you should not take anything lightly in these 4 topics. Very important. Number 2, practice, consistent practice, because it is more of practical. Around 60 marks is practical, 40 marks is theory. That practical part will be giving you more marks. Of course, theory is very important, but practical part, for that practice is key. It is very important to practice the question. In the sessions we are going to practice, and we have already practiced much in our lectures. Then use of calculator. Now some students take use of calculator very lightly. It is very important because that will increase your speed. All time value calculation, discounting, compounding, all these calculations you should practice very hard. So at the time of exams you are hands on and you will not waste time. Okay, so use of calculator is very important while practicing. Don't ignore. Then lastly, you have to solve ACCA global papers. The past papers you need to solve. The more you solve, more you will be confident. So 4 things, these 4 topics, very important. Practice is the key for this particular paper. Then calculator use and solve the past papers. Now what are the common mistakes students make when they study this paper 9 FM paper? What mistakes? Common mistakes. Number 1, you ignore theory. Many students, they don't like theory. They like practical, but they don't like theory. But tell me, how can you ignore 40 marks? You should concentrate on theory. Remember, if you learn the theory properly, you will be able to solve the numericals properly, because every calculation has some logic behind, right? And for that logic you need to read the theory. So theory questions important, and theory is required for numericals as well. So don't make mistake of ignoring theory. Very critical to read theory. You should spend actually more time on theory. Of course practical is important. We have 60 marks practical, but theory is also very important. I am trying to tell you that. Another mistake student make is not showing the working clearly. In your exams, whenever you're doing some working, show it. Don't just directly give answers. Don't give answers in a calculator directly. You should explain the solution so that examiner give good marks to you. So don't ignore the calculation. Don't go for shortcuts in your paper. And many students make this time management problem. They have a time management. They cannot cope up with the paper. So how to manage this? Practice. Absolutely, there is no other option. You cannot solve FM question just by reading it. You need to practice. So if you practice, you will be able to solve the question fast, and you'll be able to cope up with the time management in exams. Okay, so don't make the mistake of ignoring theory, don't make the mistake of not showing the workings clearly, and do not waste time in exams. For that you need to practice at home. Before the exam you need to practice. Now, so if you are hands on with this paper, let me tell you, if your FM9 paper is very good, what happens, it will be very comfortable for you to go for AFM paper. It will be very smooth then, and plus this is going to help in SBL paper also. So these two subjects also, they are connected to FM, and it becomes easy for you to cope up with these paper later. Hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.